are going to practice our reading, okay? Remember, whenever you are reading, this box here has a meaning, okay? The full stop here has a meaning. A good reader don't read without observing this, okay? And like I told you, if you're just speeding, if you're speeding without observing this, you're just telling people that still I don't know how to read. So I listen to what I'm saying. A good reader pause where he or she is meant to pause. Okay? He stops where he is meant to stop. Okay? That is when that is doing it. When you say people stopping at the right place, that person knows how to read. Hmm? So he doesn't overspeed. A good reader doesn't what overspeed, and a good reader doesn't read one. Are you with me? So what we are going to do, I'm going to read it. As I am reading it, observe what how I stop here, how I stop here. I listen to what I'm saying. And also observe how I say out my words. Very important. A good reader, you don't need to swallow your words. Okay? You don't do what? You don't swallow your words. I listen to what I'm saying. So if you are reading and you are swallowing most of your words, the person that you are reading to, your audience or your listener, will not hear all those words because you have swallowed them. I listen to what I'm saying. And like I told you, when you are reading, you read with confidence. Don't be afraid of anything. These words can never bite you. I listen to what I'm saying. It's better that you do something and somebody said, well done, what's this? Okay? So I'm not building you so that whenever you are reading, somebody will say, what should you do? But at the end of the day, the person will say, wow, I love the way she reads. Are you with me? So listen, reading practice, that's what we're going to do. Entitled, A Small Habit, Big Change. What did I say? A small habit, big change. Okay? Now, Chika did not like reading. She always avoided her books and preferred to play. Do you want me to be pointing it? At first, it was difficult and slow, and the words were not clear in her sight. She needed more light to read well at night. But after some weeks, she became faster and more confident. Her small habits changed everything. I should read it again. I want to give it a try. You want to try? Yeah. Okay. Go ahead.
Title, A Small Habit, Big Change.
Okay, now listen. I did not hear the change. What I hear is big change. Are you with me? That's what I told you. I did not hear the change. What I heard was change. Take the title again.
Title, A Small Habit, Big Change.
Correct. Big change. Okay, go ahead.
Chika did not like reading. She always avoided her books and preferred to play. At first, it was difficult and slow, and the words were not clear in her sight. She needed more light to read well at night, but after some weeks, she became faster and more confident. Her small habits changed everything.
Thank you. You did it very well. But we need to polish some. Like, I did not hear your end. I did not hear it. I did not hear your X. We have weeks, but what you said was weak. I listen to what I'm saying. So anything you see in anything you are reading, has a meaning. When you remove anything, it changes the meaning. When you say after some week, it's no more grammatically correct because some shows that it happens, it's more than one. Okay? So, and like I told you, don't stop where you're not meant to stop. When you flow, there's what we call fluency. Are you with me? So when you flow, understanding will start taking effect. Okay? At least these things are very simple words, right? That you can just learn, you understand without even opening any dictionary, right? Very, very simple. So read it again with energy. We are trying, we are coming up, but your reading is not that sharp and it lacks energy. Okay? Don't be afraid of it. Okay? Never be afraid of it. Go again.
A small habit, big change.
Okay, can you say a small habit?
A small habit,
A small habit.
a small habit,
Big change.
big change,
Big change.
big change.
A small habit. Big change.
A small habit, big
Not
change.
habit. Habit.
A small habit,
Remember our. Okay. So say it again.
a small habit,
Habit.
habit,
Not habit. Habit.
habit,
Habit.
habit,
Habit.
habit,
Not habit. Not habit. You have to open that mouth like this. Habit. Habit. Take it again.
habit,
Habit.
habit,
Habit.
habit,
Habit.
hab-
Habit.
habit,
Habit.
habit,
Again.
habit,
Again. Not Okay, let's go like this. Ha 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 not ha ha ha
ah,
ha
ah,
ha.
ah,
Okay, just say ha as if you're speaking Igbo. Ha ha. Just say it.
oh,
Not ha.
oh,
Ha.
oh,
Ha.
oh,
Ha.
oh,
Not ha. Even if you say ha, but ha.
oh,
Ha.
oh,
It seems you have forgotten. Ha.
oh,
I want that ha to come out. Ha.
oh,
Hmm? Ha.
oh,
Ha.
oh,
Ha.
oh,
You're doing your expression shows like this thing is so difficult that I cannot learn it. Just listen to me and follow what I'm saying. Ha.
oh,
Again.
oh,
Ha.
oh,
He.
oh,
No, not Oh. He.
oh,
Oh.
oh,
Oh.
oh,
Ha.
oh,
He.
oh,
Not he. He.
oh,
No. Not he. Not he. He.
oh,
He.
oh,
Ha.
oh,
Again. Yeah.
oh,
Ha.
oh,
Ha.
oh,
Alright. A small habit.
a small habit,
A small habit.
a small habit,
A small habit.
a small habit,
Correct. Give it to me again. A small habit.
a small habit,
Again. You see, you can do that. You're just being afraid. Okay? Take it again. A small habit.
a small habit,
A small habit.
a small habit,
A small habit.
a small habit,
Habit.
habit,
Habit.
habit,
Habit.
habit,
Habit.
habit,
Habit.
habit,
Hmm?
a small habit, habit,
Habit.
habit, a small habit, big,
A small habit.
a small habit,
Not, I'm still hearing a small habit.
a small habit,
Habit.
habit,
We're going to sleep here. You want us to sleep here? If you don't want us to sleep here, listen to me. I told you, remember, hand, not and, right? Okay. So, hand, habit, 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 habit. And listen,
a small habit,
good. When you get home, even if you want to sing any song, be singing habit, habit, ha 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 ha. Just be cautious of that, okay? Good. Remember, don't be afraid of anything, okay?
a small habit,
Again,
a small habit,
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 a small habit.
a small habit,
Look at me, a small habit.
a small
Habit.
habit,
Is it too difficult? It's very simple. Say it's simple.
it's simple,
A small habit.
a small habit,
Habits.
habit,
Right.
a small habit, big change,
You pronounce it with energy. Big change.
big change,
Big change.
big change,
Big change.
big change,
Right.
a small habit, big
A
change,
small habit. Big change.
a small habit, big,
A small habit. Big change.
a small habit, big change.
Okay.
Chika did not like reading.
Sit up. Sit up.
Chika did not like reading. She always
Remember,
avoided.
good. But I said a good reader. Don't rush it. You read it to have meaning. Fluency. Go ahead.
Chika, Chika did Chika did not like reading. She always avoided her books and preferred to play. At first, it was difficult and slow, and the words were not clear in her sight. She needed more light to read well at night, but after some weeks, she became faster and more confident. Her small habits changed everything.
Thank you. But you need to open your eyes. You say confidence instead of confidence. Okay? Maybe you did not see it, but you need to open your eyes. And these words, the words, yeah, you took it slowly, like no energy, it was very slow, like you didn't, bring out pronounce it out. You didn't pronounce it out. Okay? Okay? So if you really want to start, read it. If you really want to start reading well, hmm, you make everything to be clear. Okay? Make everything to be clear. You are putting a very wonderful effort. But I need that energy. Okay? Read what you see. Like now here, because this one entered here, that is how you should your eyes should move very fast. Okay? So that you will know how to connect it. She needed more light to read well at night. Okay? She needed more light. She needed more light to read well at night. Okay? You don't need to be stopping here because this one did not enter here. That's the reason it's there. So you don't need to stop anyhow there. Okay? Take it up again. Read it again. Better now, okay? Read it better.
Chika did not like reading. She always avoided her books and preferred to play. At first, it
Okay.
was
Stop here. Start again.
Chika did not like reading. She always avoided her books and preferred to play. At first, it was difficult and slow, and the words were not clear in her sight. She needed more light to read well at night, but after some weeks, she became faster and more confident. Her small habits changed everything.
Correct. Let me clap for you. Clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. That's wonderful. Yes, that's wonderful. If you repeat it more and more and more and more, you see yourself becoming better, better, better. Before you know it, you become best. Okay? Okay, let me give you time. Look at it one more time. Okay? Read it out. I'm not doing now. Oh, yeah, read it out.
A small habit, big change.
I did not hear the change again.
A small habit, big change.
A small habit, big change.
A small habit,
That's the title. You want to tell somebody a story. A small habit, big change. The title of today's story is A Small Habit, Big Change. Say it like that.
a title.
The title of today's story is
The title of
Say it with energy.
the title of today's story is a
The
small.
title of today's story is
The title of today's story is a.
I did not hear the is. The title of today's story is
The title of a small. The title of today's story is A Small Habit, Big Change.
correct.
Chika did not like reading. She always avoided her books and preferred to play. At first, it was difficult and slow, and the words were not clear in her sight. She needed more light to read well at night, but after some weeks, she became faster and more confident. Her small habit changed everything.